English with Billy Bud. Intensive pronouns. Remember that pronouns replace nouns and noun phrases. An intensive pronoun, also known as an intensive reflexive pronoun, B2B, is a word that intensifies a noun or noun phrase. Intensive pronouns usually go after the noun or pronoun. This is done to make the previous noun stronger. The intensive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. To form the singular, we add the suffix self. To form the plural, we add selves to other pronouns. Intensive pronouns are not essential to the meaning of a sentence. They are simply used for emphasis, but intonation is important. Notice that we do not need the intensive pronoun to create a sentence. Often, adverbs can be used to replace the pronoun. Can you find intensive pronouns? Did you yourself make this chocolate cake? He himself made that dessert.
Wow!
I couldn't imagine how she did that herself. It climbed up on the table itself. We ourselves are responsible for the success of the company. You yourselves can accomplish this project. They themselves are responsible for the successful project. I myself created this English grammar lesson. Are you yourself going to repair the car? He himself is going to rebuild that house. She herself was able to create a successful company. Our cat itself was able to find her food. We ourselves will find a way to repair the roof. You yourselves must find the answer to that question. They themselves won the game before the final buzzer. I myself like some dessert after a meal. Ask your teacher to further explain the subject of intensive pronouns. Have fun with English. Thanks for watching. Blast off.
Bill, time for dinner.
Yes, dear.